My name is David Culinary, and today I'm going to show you how we make pasta here at Tuscan Market. So first we start with our 00 flour. We're going to crack 3 eggs right into the center of this. We're going to add in some of our Sicilian imported extra virgin olive oil. So I'm going to keep one hand wet to mix our eggs and then the other hand dry to knock the flour in as we mix. All the ingredients I'm using here today you can get right here at Tuscan Market, and we now have packages of everything you need all put together for this, so you can make your own pasta at home. So we're going to mix these two together until we develop a paste, and then once we get to that point we can really start mixing in with both of our hands. If your dough is a little dry, you can add in a little bit of water. Just put a little water on your hands and then continue to knead your dough. After just a few minutes of kneading, you've got a fully composed ball of dough ready to go. I always recommend that you let this rest for about 45 minutes to an hour. So just take some saran wrap, wrap it up nice and tight, and leave it on your countertop at room temp. We're gonna take half of our dough, gonna lightly flour our dough just to make sure it doesn't stick to the table. So now that we have our pasta fully rolled out, nice and thin, I'm going to show you a few different cuts of string pasta that we could do with this. So first we've got pappardelle, tagliatelle, fettuccine, linguine, and finally capellini. The dough that I showed you how to make today is very versatile, where you can make string pastas, extrudeds, stuffed pastas, really any sort of pasta you can think of can be done with exactly what we just did.